This is Afshan Roshan, your physiotherapist. Exercises for lower back pain. 85% of population will experience some form of lower back pain in their lifetime, which is the second most common reason to seek medical advice. Spinal rocking. Exercises can be done on the floor on the back. Now start from this foot line position by gently dropping your knees and pause for 1 second. Now bring up the knees and gently drop on the other side. This should be slowed and controlled when doing this exercise. 10 repetitions twice a day. Curl up. Put your hands onto your thighs and slide your fingertips towards your knees and gently sit up and back down. Make sure you come up. You should be exhaling 2 to 3 times in a week. Knee to chest. I prefer this exercise in bent knee position. Bring up one knee and hold down and pull it towards your chest. I prefer this exercise again bent knee position and one knee at the same time. However, you can do it with both knees up and the same time, and that is not a problem either. This is also called double knee to chest exercise. This will release your stress on your injured segment of your spine. Twice a day, at least 20 seconds. Adding hamstring stretch with calf muscles. You're gonna move to the hamstring stretch by simply bring up the leg and stretch over. The hamstring is a muscle that connects onto your back, into your pelvis and runs to your knee. When this muscle is tight, it will pull down onto your back and creating back pain. Bridging. The bridge is the extension of your pelvic tilt. You're going to perform pelvic tilt by squeezing your buttocks and gently lifting up and hold for 3 seconds. And then slowly lower down. This is important to know when you perform pelvic tilt. This exercise really going to stress off your lower back. So you have to avoid hyperextension and the overextension of your spine. Done 2 to 3 times in a week. Piriformis stretch. We take the right ankle and place it onto the left knee. Then grab around your knee and pull this knee to the opposite of your shoulder here. Hold it at least 20 seconds and perform it at least twice a day. This is gonna stretch into your hips and buttocks on the right side. This is good for the individual that sits at the desk and workout days forward frequently throughout the day. Do it at least twice a day. Push-ups. With lying your stomach and push up through your hands, hold for 30 seconds and repeat 10 times. When doing this, make sure you have also involved your neck and stretch over. Twice a day. Rocking. This rocking movement of your spine makes your whole spine mobile and relaxed by simply mobilizing your spine. And the last in the conclusion. Note, these exercises are safe and effective. However, you will still need to consult with your primary care physician before beginning a new exercise routine. So guys, never forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.